Welcome back, guys. Today we will work on semi-structured data. We will work with JSON file type. I am showing you JSON file. We have a data. I have 3 record. This is the first record. It's a second record. First record name Ali. Second record name Ira, and third record name is Arish. Okay. This is JSON semi-structured dummy data. We will work on this. So let's start. First of all, we will create a database using this command, create a database, and then we will use this database. Then we will use create a replace schema no extended state for store data from. This is a stage table, and this is one for internal table. Create a schema. It's created schema. Now we will create a file format. If we have mentioned JSON, if we will not mention, it will create a CSV format. Schema format, schema file format is successfully created. File format created. Show schema in DB. This is all schema in my current DBs. Okay. Now I will create integration object because I have uploaded a JSON file into my AWS account. This integration object will integrate with the AWS and Snowflake. It's a storage provider S3, and it's a ARN role based AWS role identifier, and it's a AWS bucket address. It's a bucket name, and it is a my folder name. You can see here it's my bucket for semi-structure, and it's my dummy data JSON. Just click on it and copy URL, paste here between single quote, and here and copy from here and paste here between single quote. Create integration object. After create integration object, we will create a stage. Tell to state that where is our file, because it is external stage. My file located on S3 bucket for semi-structured database, and in this folder JSON file. Describe integration. Now we will some integration step perform using this. Click on storage AWS ARN. On click this and copy. Go to ARN, trust relationship, paste here. After after added policy, click here, and external ID, copy. Each step performed in my previous video. You can watch from there how can perform the remaining step in the sense of integration. Okay, let's start. Now I am saying that external state click stage already created. Added, please see. describe here, copy this code, paste it, paste in double quote, and when you create a first time it will be a blank like this. Then we will go to here, add information, select STS external ID, default equal string equal. Then we will copy external ID from here, copy and paste here, add update policy. Okay, now I will run this command again. Now I will check external state. It's my name is size in the stage is created. Now I am creating a creator table that will be a store or staging data into that table. We will create a target table, and we also create a stage table where all data, all file, all the raw data stored into that table. We have created raw file. It is a variant. It's store all raw data using this one column. We are creating staging table, and with one column the data variant creates load all raw data file. When hit this button, table has been created. Now copy raw data into stage table. Just replace here or file name. Now our state table is created. Now I'm copying data from that state to this stage table. You can say status load, rows pass 3. Now our data has been loaded into state table with one column. I'm just securing that. You can see it's a state table with 3 record with one column row file. It's our row file, raw file. It's our column name. Okay, I have created line number 41. It's shown that it's all data from that table. Now I want to select specific column name. Just paste a write raw file, raw underscore file that is that column name with on staging, and column name. This is the original column double column string as a name. It will be show as a like this name LA IRA RH. Okay, if we want to, you can see here, if we open again, this is semi-structured data also. Pets have 2 values, address has 3 address, so we can access this type of data, semi-structured data, from index. Its dog have 0 index and cat have a 1 index. When I will raw file name pets 0 as a string, this will show all semi-structured data whose value is index 0. Only dog, only have pet dog, Ira have pet dog, and Irish have pet parrot. You can see dog, Ira have one pet first with 0 index dog, and Irish have only one, that is a parrot. Okay, now I'm going to check the size of the array of the pets from using this command. It's showing that only first record have array size 2, second one 3 and 4, third one 1, because this is 3 value. This array has 3 values, semi structure, and when we click on this, it's showing max size of the array. We can select max size using this for a specific column. Now I'm going to select other column as well as file name. It's a column name from staging table, name as a string, address .city, because after name is a single column name. It's not semi structure, it is a semi structure. When you click on run this button, show that only house number, city and state. IRA, house number, city, state. Harish, house number, city, state. We can select, extract or semi structure or array data like using this string or using this format. Now I'm executing all data, full data with all column, with all values. Like I only have 2 values, I have 3 values, so it's mean it create a 2 record. Only have 2 record, I have a 3 record. It's mean 3 to 5, 3 to 5, and I have 1 record. It's show me a 3 to 5, 6 record. You can see I'm just paste that above query with pet 0 index and 1 index, 2 index, and also when I run this command with union all, is give me semi record, 9 record, 2 have null, 2 record null. It's a duplication record because I have done before also. Okay, so we can also, you can see, we can also create a extract semi structure data using like a table or structure. Now I'm creating a table, create or replace, create. Now I'm creating table. So it's table now. Now I'm creating table and choosing above query with union all. Whenever run this query, table pest data successfully created. Now I'm querying this table. Which emails record. Truncate table. Now I'm setting this table with the, you can see we have worked this like a union all. We can work using a built-in function. Use a flatten raw file pets. We can flatten that function that we're using this raw file and pets pets as a JSON. When we run this file, run this button, showing again data. I have truncate this table show that 6 record which I have discussed. Only have 2 pet, or I have 3 pet, or I have 1 pet. We work this like using index, using union or, but we can also using built-in function table. This is the syntax. Flatten raw for this is a stage column name, and this is a file data column name. F1 as a JSON raw, and comma as a pet F1. Thank you for watching.